Hi, I'm Anna from Sunlight Network, and I'd like to welcome you here to our new innovation. This video explores the creation and a company which is focused on providing innovative solutions to your difficulties. Introducing Sunlight Network. Sunlight Network is a solution advisory information technology research and development corporation that provides a wide range of solutions to your personal, professional, technical, and much more challenges as well as troubles in your life. Our technical support and development services will resolve any challenges you are facing. We provide a best quality solutions, high quality services. If you are suffering by any difficulty that you are not sure of, don't worry. We will cover all the information in detail to allow you a better solution. Our experts are not just knowledgeable, they are also well educated and well informed. Our academic degree holders intend on studying the subject matter of your requirements and then formulate detailed, frequently asked questions which can be a solution to your problems. Our consultants will use their rich industry experience to get to the core issues and solutions that exceed your expectations. We are always available to decipher your difficulties. We are on WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter,